In this video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone where the touch is not working, so you have a no touch on your iPhone 16 Pro Max or any iPhone that you have with the all screen like this. You're going to follow this one quick process to fix it. What you're going to do is locate the volume up and volume down button and then this big side button. So we're going to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold onto the side button. Just like that again. Make sure you press and release quickly the volume up followed by volume down before holding onto the side button, and just keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo, and then you let go. And that should go ahead and fix the touch screen, whether it's unresponsive, frozen, stuck. It's going to be the quickest way to go ahead and fix it. This method will not delete any of your personal data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will be safe on your phone, and if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it. You can do it as many times as you need to without having to worry about being data lost. After doing that, your touch should work. If you're having a no-touch problem on your iPhone again, quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold onto the side button as another example that I'm showing you. And this process again, very simple and easy to do. Troubleshooting steps when it comes to fixing any iPhone, iOS software related issue. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.